So what is actually Claude Code? Let me break it down for you. Claude Code is an AI coding assistant from Anthropic. It helps you write, edit, and review code faster, right from your terminal or IDE. You explain what you want in plain language, and it generates or suggests changes in your project. People like that it can handle complex edits, fix bugs, and speed up repetitive tasks. Many developers use it to draft code or learn new frameworks quickly, which is actually nice if you're juggling multiple projects. On the downside, it's not perfect. Beginners might find it confusing, and sometimes the AI produces code that needs serious revision. You still have to understand and check everything before using it. It's also on the pricier side for full access. Claude Code has a free tier with basic AI use, and paid plans like Pro $17 to $20 per month or Max $100 to $200 per month unlock full code features and higher usage limits. The free plan is good for experimenting, but heavier work needs a subscription. If you're a developer or serious hobbyist, Claude Code can save you time and make coding less tedious. But if you only code casually, simpler or free tools might be better. Let me know your thoughts below and subscribe for more tech reviews.